7 deadly tricks learned in just 1 tough week. Chaos hits in seconds. Who wins? Not the biggest, but the smartest with the trickiest moves. From slow to fast, can these steps change everything? These 7 dirtiest techniques, targeting hidden vulnerabilities like nerves, joints, and balance points, are the ones most systems avoid teaching. Why? Because they work too fast, bypassing strength entirely. In just 7 days, you'll witness how daily, focused drills transform simple basics into unbreakable mastery. Let's kick off this challenge with a bang. Deadly Technique 1. The Palm Heel Throat Disruptor. One of the dirtiest and most effective ways to shut down aggression instantly. Imagine a close-range threat closing in fast. This strike targets the vulnerable windpipe, triggering an uncontrollable gag reflex and forcing an immediate back-off, often in under a second. The beauty? It requires minimal strength, just sharp precision and hip snap to make it devastatingly reliable against any size opponent. Perform it like this. Adopt a relaxed, ready stance with hands guarding. Explode hips forward while driving the palm heel upward in a tight arc. Snap through the target with fingers spread and wrist straight, then retract instantly to reset. Start day 1, drills in shadow mode, aiming for 50 controlled reps per side to build whip-like speed while staying loose. Early on, the motion might feel awkward or telegraphed, but that's the raw starting point. In application, this creates breathing chaos and vital escape space. By the end of day 1, timing sharpens dramatically, setting a deadly foundation. This is just the beginning. The power builds fast from here. Day 1 is in the bag. The throat disruptor now snaps with vicious authority, forcing instant retreat and proving its dirty edge. Now, let's unleash Deadly Technique 2, the Savage Fish Hook, a truly ruthless control move that turns an aggressor's face into your escape lever. Imagine hooking a finger deep into the cheek corner and yanking hard to rip open the mouth, creating excruciating pain and forcing immediate release. This exploits soft tissue and jaw hinge for brutal compliance. Perform it carefully, slide the index finger along the cheek to the mouth corner for quick entry, hook firmly inside the soft tissue while thumb secures outside, yank sideways with torso torque, and step back for disengagement. Chain it seamlessly. Throat palm explodes into fishhook pull. Drill 100 reps with extreme caution. Light mirror shadow or partner simulation only. No real contact. Early trap? Hesitation on entry. Commit fast for shock. In application, this shatters focus and buys freedom when trapped. By day 2 end, the combo feels savage and instinctive, unlocking dominance. This duo is nightmare fuel. Tomorrow drops lower for collapse. Day 2. Dominance secured. The throat to fish hook rips control with savage precision, turning grips into desperation. Now prepare for Deadly Technique 3, the crushing groin knee explosion, a low-line destroyer targeting the nerve-rich cluster for instant nausea, leg buckle, and mobility shutdown. Imagine a towering threat folding in agony from one timed drive. This is raw hip power, not fancy kicks. Perform it explosively. Drop base slightly to chamber knee tight against body. Explode hips upward in a vertical piston line, driving kneecap through target. Retract sharply while pushing away for distance. Integrate the chain. Throat disruptor into fishhook, then groin knee finisher. Drill 120 reps with shielded pad resistance. Early challenge? Poor chambering exposes it. Keep hidden until eruption. In application, this levels size gaps, creating collapse and escape. By day 3 end, the 3-move sequence hits like thunder, lower devastation completing the assault. The arsenal grows deadlier. Tomorrow adds sensory overload. Day 3 locked tight. The groin knee crumples posture, amplifying the chain into nightmare territory. Let's crank chaos with Deadly Technique 4. The Deafening ear clap barrage, a double-handed pressure bomb slamming cupped palms to create inner ear explosion. Vertigo and balance loss hit like a flashbang, turning aggression into stumbling confusion. Secret is hand curve for vacuum wave. Perform it precisely. Position cupped hands wide facing ears, swing inward explosively for simultaneous contact, follow with slight push, then retract while stepping away. Chain viciously, throat to fish hook to groin to double clap stun, drill 140 reps with light partner taps for alignment. Watch flat hands, they weaken blast, curve deep safely. In application, this buys recovery time when overwhelmed. By day 4 end, the 4-move flow dominates senses, control absolute. Halfway mastered, intensity skyrockets tomorrow. Day 4, mastery achieved. The ear clap dazes reliably, scattering focus like shattered glass. Time to unleash deadly technique 5, the bone-jarring elbow grinder, a spinning horizontal crusher for jaw hinge or temple days, and structural shift. Picture torque ripping weak points, a size-ignoring wrecking ball powered by body coil. Perform it with rotation. Coil torso sideways, chambering elbow tight. Uncoil hips, first whipping elbow horizontally through target, drive through with weight shift, then snap back to guard. Integrate seamlessly. Throat to fish hook to groin to clap to elbow grinder. Drill 160 reps with dynamic pad spins. Pitfall, arm leading. Torso twist, unlocks devastation. Day 6 complete. The rake sweep drops balance effortlessly, making the chain a mobility assassin. Ultimate reveal. Deadly technique. 7. The paralyzing brachial plexus stun pinch, nerve-crushing grip targeting shoulder-neck cluster for arm deadening and limb shutdown. Picture fingers digging plexus bundle, turning reach into numb uselessness with surgical cruelty. Torque amplifies. Perform surgically. Slide fingers into neck-shoulder notch for access. Clamp vise-like digging thumb/fingers deep into bundle. Twist torso sharply pinching harder before release/disengage. Complete chain. Throat disruptor to fish hook to groin, knee to ear, clap to elbow. Grinder to rake sweep to brachial stun. 7 days. 7 brutal techniques. From raw instinct to refined mastery, each move builds on the last, creating a relentless chain that ends any attack in seconds. You've learned how to disrupt, control, and dismantle your opponent's every move, turning their aggression into your advantage. By now, these deadly techniques have become second nature. The transformation is complete, but remember, this is just the beginning. Keep training, keep perfecting, and soon, these moves won't just be part of your defense, they'll define your dominance. Stay sharp, keep fighting dirty. And until next time, remember, when chaos strikes, only the smartest survive.